Let's see few previous year questions on this chapter vectors. So this question is given in JEE Mains 2017. Let's see this. The area of parallelogram whose diagonals are along the vectors 8i cap minus 6j cap and 3i plus 4j minus 12k cap is how much? We need to find the area of parallelogram and diagonals of parallelogram are given. So here to find out the area of parallelogram, we need to remember a basic formula, that is area of parallelogram is equal to half of d1 cross d2, where d1 and d2 are the two diagonals of the parallelogram. That is half of determinant. How do we calculate? I, j, k cap. One is 8 minus 6, 0. One is 3, 4 minus 12. This and this magnitude we need to take because we are talking about the area, right? So here we'll get 1 by 2, 6, 12 6 are 72. I minus into minus plus 96 j cap. K becomes plus 50 k cap. Now take this magnitude. How will you do that? Half of 72 square plus 96 square plus 50 square. When you calculate this, you'll get it as 1 by 2 under root 16,900 and it becomes 1 by 2 of 130, that is 65 square units. Units are important. Two vectors are given. One is A, one is B vector, such that mod of A plus B whole square is equal to mod A square plus 2B square is given, and A dot B value is given, and one more condition related to cross product is given. We need to find the value of A square. So first let's find what is A plus B whole square actually. It is nothing but A square plus B square plus 2 times of A dot B. But in question, this condition is given as mod A square plus 2 times of mod B square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2 times of A into B is nothing but 3. I mean, A dot B is given as 3. A square gets cancelled. It becomes mod B square is equal to 6. Now, we know a very important property that A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square is equal to mod A square into mod B square. Now, we know this value, that is 75 from the question. A dot B, we know 3, that is 3 square 9. And mod A square we need to find out. Mod B square is nothing but 6. We can write it as mod A square is equal to 84 by 6, that is nothing but 14. So mod A square is nothing but 14. In this question, A vector is given, B vector is given, and it is told alpha is greater than 0 if the projection of A cross B vector on this vector is 30. Projection value is given, and we need to find the value of alpha. So let's revise the projection formula. If U and V are the two vectors, then what will be the projection of U vector on V vector? It will be U dot V by magnitude of V. So similarly, it is given as projection of A cross B projection of A cross B on this vector. Let's assume this as V. So it becomes A cross B dot product of V by magnitude of V. So first let's find A cross B value. We'll get it as I, J, K. A cross B, that is alpha 1 minus 1, 2, 1 minus alpha. It becomes minus alpha plus 1 I cap plus alpha square minus 2 j cap plus alpha minus 2 k cap. So when you do dot product with this vector and with this v vector, you will get it as minus into minus plus alpha minus 1 plus 2 alpha square minus 4 minus 2 alpha plus 4 divided upon its magnitude, which means under root 1 plus 4 under root 9, that is 3. So here plus 4 and minus 4 gets cancelled. 2 alpha square minus alpha minus 1 divided by 3, and this projection value is given, that is 30. And from here you will write it as 2 alpha square minus alpha minus 1 and minus 90 becomes minus 91 equal to 0. So when you simplify this, you will get alpha value as 7 or minus 13 by 2. But in the question it is told alpha is greater than 0. So the final answer will be 7. So 7 is the required answer to this question. In this question, A, B, C are positive distinct numbers. Okay, they are not vectors. If the vector A I cap plus A j cap plus C k cap and I plus K and this are coplanar, then what's the value of C? So vector A, B, C are said to be coplanar if their determinant is 0. Determinant is 0. So use this here, that is A, C, 1, 0, 1, and here C, C, B. Take its determinant and equate it to 0. You will get it as AC minus of A, B minus C plus C into C is equal to 0. Here AC minus AB plus AC plus C square is 0. Here it becomes minus AC. So this and this gets cancelled. C square is AB. From here C is nothing but under root AB. So option A is the correct answer to this question.